Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. Let's learn SQL with Difficult Learner. So let's get started. Our today's agenda is min function and the max function of SQL. So let's see. Min function is basically used to retrieve the smallest value from the column you have mentioned. So here look at the syntax, select min function, and here I have to write down the name of the column from which you want to retrieve the smallest value, from table name from which you want to retrieve that column, and if you have any condition you can write condition also. Let's see what is max function. Max function is basically used to retrieve the largest value of the column. The syntax is same, only you have to replace min function with the max. So here you can see select max function, then in brackets you have to tell the name of the column from which you want to retrieve the largest value, and then you have to write down the table from which table you are retrieving it, and then if you have any condition you can mention that. So let's see how you can use these min and max function in SQL. I'm using my employee table here. Let me show you the data. This is the record. So you can see, let's say I want to retrieve the minimum value of employee age column. So here select, I'm writing min function and age from table name, table employee 25. You can see the employee age column, the minimum, or we can say smallest value. 25, 29, 35, 32, 26, 31, 30, 29, 26. So smallest value in this column is 25. If you want to retrieve the maximum value, or you can say maximum age, so in that case I'm writing the query, select max employee age from employee. So maximum age is 35, you can see 25, 29, 35, 32, 26, 31, 40, 29, and last one is 26. So 35 is the largest one. If you want to have these both query in these both functions in one query, for that let's see how to do. Min employee age, then just use for the separation comma, max employee age, then you have to mention the table name. Table name is employee, then run it. Here you can see when you run these functions of min and max, you can see these column names are displayed. No column name, no column name. It means these whenever you use min or max functions, they return the value according to the function, but the column name is not specified. If you want to display a column name also for the temporary time period, you can use as alias. So here I am using as smallest age, and here for the max also as largest age, or we can write employee age. Single quotes we have to use. Let's run this query. So you can see the difference. This time I have given the name for these columns. Smallest employee age, here I am using min function. Largest employee age, here I am using the maximum function. We can also write the conditions, or we can use min function and max functions in the where clause also. So let's see how. So let's start from employee, where employee age is greater than. I'm again writing one more query. So select min employee age from employee. So here in the where clause I am using min function. So as we already know that the minimum employee age value is 25. So let's run this query. So here, first 1 minute. Let me show you the whole data also from employee so that you can relate the values. This top data is according to the first this query. So here you can see it's displaying 8 rows, and how, as what is a query is telling us to do. Select star from employee. It means retrieve all the data from the employee table. Where condition. In where condition I have written that employee age should be greater than the minimum age whatever I get retrieved from the employee. So minimum age is 25. So select so where employee age is greater than 25. So this is the condition here. So you can see there is no 25 record available in this column. If I write employee age greater than or equals to, then it will show 25 also. You can see 25. But there is no use of writing it because it will not, there will be no difference. So now if I want to add one more query in the where, so how will I do? Let's use and write employee age is greater than the select max. Not greater than, it should be less than. Employee age should be less than the age which I retrieved from the employee age column, and here I am retrieving the maximum largest value of that employee age. So here write down the column name from employee. So if I run this query, now you can see according to the conditional query, or you can say this top query, I am retrieving only 7 rows. See, what is the minimum age? Minimum age is 25. So first condition says employee age should be greater than 25. Second condition says employee age should be less than 20, less than maximum age. So what is the maximum age? $35 is the maximum age. So employee age should be greater than 25 or less than 35. So this is the condition. So here you can see I have retrieved only 7 rows, and This is the record according to the query. Like this, you can use min and max function in SQL. And yes, with the as alias also, whenever you want to show the name of the column. This we have already discussed. Now, thank you everyone. I hope you have learned something from my video. Bye. Thank you.